In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp Buy Box analysis. This feature helps you understand who's winning the buy box on an Amazon listing, how often they win it, and at what price, so you can make smarter sourcing decisions before you buy. First, make sure the buy box analysis panel is enabled. Open Selleramp, head into Settings, and turn on the buy box analysis panel. This is a one-time setup, but it's essential. Without it, you won't see any of the buy box history or share data you need for analysis. Next, open any Amazon product page you're evaluating and launch the Selleramp extension. Give it a second to load. Then scroll within the extension until you see the buy box analysis panel. You'll notice there are time frame options: 30 days, 90 days, and 180 days. The 30-day view shows recent trends. The 90-day view balances recency with a broader picture, and the 180-day view helps you spot longer-term patterns or seasonal swings. If you're unsure, start with 90 days and adjust as needed. Now, look at the buy box winners displayed in the panel. You'll see seller names and the percentage of time each seller has held the buy box within your chosen time frame. This tells you who dominates the listing. Consistent dominance by a single seller often points to tougher competition, while a spread across several sellers can indicate more room for new entrants. Focus on the buy box share percentages. As a rule of thumb, if one seller controls more than half of the buy box, you're up against a strong competitor. If multiple sellers each have meaningful slices, the buy box is rotating. More rotation usually means it's easier to enter and capture some share, provided your offer is competitive on price, shipping speed, and overall metrics. Next, evaluate price consistency. Check the average buy box price and consider whether it's been stable over your selected time frame. A steady average with minimal dips suggests predictable margins. If the price has been dropping or swinging wildly, you may face shrinking profits or more aggressive repricing battles. Stable pricing generally points to safer buys and simpler replenishment planning. Finally, review fulfillment type. The panel will show whether winners are primarily FBA or FBM. Listings dominated by FBA sellers are typically tougher for FBM offers to break into because FBA often wins more frequently thanks to fast shipping and high reliability. When the mix is more even between FBA and FBM, there's more opportunity for different offer types to share the buy box. Use these insights together, winner identity, share, price stability, and fulfillment type, to decide if a listing fits your strategy. That's how you turn Selleramp's buy box analysis into confident, data-backed sourcing decisions.